Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous class, we discussed about definitions of trigonometric ratios. Yes, now today's topic is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. As I said that before going to this topic, we need to know the definitions of some trigonometric ratios. Yes, what's the definition of sine theta? It's nothing but opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. We already learned these definitions of trigonometric ratios, isn't it? Now today's class is about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. See, for some students it is somewhat difficult to remember these values. For some students it is difficult to remember these values. For example, what is the value of sine 30 degrees? There's nothing but 1 by 2. And what's the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Here some students will get confused. Instead of 1 by 2 they will write root 3 by 2. And instead of root 3 by 2 they will write 1 by 2. Yes, to overcome this today we are going to learn this topic in a practical method. So by this it will be very easy for you to understand this topic. Okay, now let's start our topic. Okay students, as I said that today we are going to learn this topic in a practical method. Okay, now we are going to use our left hand. We are going to use our left hand to understand this topic. Okay, see, which finger is this? This is thumb finger or victorious finger. Which finger is this? Index finger. This one, middle finger, ring finger, and this is tiny finger, baby finger or little finger, isn't it? Thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger or tiny finger. Okay, see, to now at first we are going to learn sine values. Okay, sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees and sine 90 degrees. Up to here clear? Okay, so now see what I said, that this is a thumb finger. Assume that this is a 0 degrees. Okay, this one is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, now I want to know the value of sine 30. I want to know the value of sine 30. Before going to this, we need to remember a small formula. That formula is so this is the small formula. We need to remember the small formula. Nothing but under root of number of fingers towards thumb side by 2. Say, I want to know the value of sine 30. Okay, as I said that this is 0 degrees and this one is the 30 degrees. Okay, now fold all the fingers. This one is 30 degrees. What is the formula? Under root of number of fingers towards thumb side. How many fingers are there towards thumb side? Only one finger. Yes, isn't it? Only one finger is there. Now, right here, under root 1 by 2. Under root 1 means root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. So, value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Next, sine 60 degrees. 0, 30, 45 and 60. Yes, fold all the fingers. How many fingers are there? See, what's the formula? Number of fingers towards thumb side. How many fingers are there towards the thumb side? This is 60 degrees. How many fingers are there towards thumb side? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are there. Yes, under root 3 by 2. Formula for sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Next, sine 45. 0, 30, 45. Fold this finger. How many fingers are there towards thumb side? Just fold this finger. Yes, How many fingers are there towards thumb side? 1 and 2. Only 2 fingers are there. Yes. Right here. Root 2 by 2. See, root 2 by 2. This is not the actual value of sine 45. To know the actual value of sine 45, we need to calculate this root 2 by 2. Say, root 2 by 2. Here, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Yes, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. And what is the numerator? Root 2. Root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. What is the value? 1 by root 2. So the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Next value is sine 90 degrees. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Yes. How many fingers are there towards the thumb side? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 fingers are there. Now write here under root 4 by 2. What is the value of root 4? 2. And what's the denominator here? 2. 2 gets cancelled. What is the value of sine 90 degrees? 1. Okay. Next, last value is sine 0 degrees. This one is 0, isn't it? See, how many fingers are there towards thumb side? How many fingers are there? No finger is there. Yes, none is there. So, nothing but root 0 by 2. Root 0 means 0. Here 0 by something means result will be always 0. So, value of sine 0 is 0. Is it clear? See, this is the values. These are the values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90 degrees. This is the practical method to understand the value of some trigonometric ratios. Instead of by hearting, use your left hand and write all the values. Just remember this formula. Under root number of fingers towards the thumb side by 2. Okay. See students, now we learn the values of these trigonometric ratios in a practical method by using our left hand. Yes. Now, we already know the sine values. Yes. If we remember these sine values, it is very easy to write the remaining values. Okay. See, now we are going to write the cos values. Okay. We are going to write cos values. See here. Cos values are nothing but just we are reversing the values of sine. We are reversing the sine values. Means see here, cos 0. Value of cos 0 is nothing but sine 90 degrees value. Means cos 0 is equal to sine 90. Just write the one value here. Okay. We are reversing the values of sine degrees. Sine theta. Okay. See, next, cos 30. The value of cos 30 is equal to sine 60. Cos 30 is equal to sine 60. What's the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Isn't it? Now, what I said, cos 30 degrees is equal to sine 60 degrees. Yes. What's the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Well, then what's the value of cos 30? Nothing but it is also root 3 by 2. Okay. See, now next one is cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees. What's the value of sine 45 degrees? 1 by root 2. Then what's the value of cos 45? It is also 1 by root 2. Okay. Next value is cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is nothing but sine 30 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to sine 30 degrees. What's the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. Then what is the value of cos 60? It is also 1 by 2. Now next one is cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to sine 0 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to sin 0 degrees. What is the value of sin 0 degrees? 0. Yes. Now what is the value of cos 90 degrees? It is also 0. See here, for your easy understanding, yes, we are reversing the value of sin theta. See here, sin 0 is equal to cos 90, and sin 30 1 by 2 is, we are writing here in the place of cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, and sin 60 root 3 by 2, it is nothing but cos 30 value, and sin 90, that is 1, it is nothing but cos 0, and 1 by 2 1 by 2, here these two are common. We are reversing remaining values. 30 is equal to 60, 60 is equal to 30, 0 is 90, and 90 is 0. Up to here clear? See here, cos 0 is sin 90 degrees, cos 30 degrees sin 6, cos 30 degrees sin 60 degrees. Okay, next cos 60 degrees sin 30, cos 90 is sin 0, and these 45 degrees are same. We are reversing the values of sine. Okay, now we need to find the values of tan theta. In our previous class we already learned the definitions of tan theta. Yes, what's the definition of tan theta? It is nothing but sin theta by cos theta is known as tan theta. Sin by cos is known as tan. Yes, if we divide these values, we will get the values of tan theta. See, what's the value of, I want to know the value of tan 0. What is the value of sin 0? 0. And what's the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So 0 by something is always 0. 0 by something is always 0. Then the value of tan 0 is 0 degrees. Sorry, 0. Value of tan 0 degrees is 0. Next, I want to know the value of tan 90. Tan 90 degrees. What is the value of sin 90? It's 1. Yes, value of sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Yes. See here, something by 0 means the result will be always infinity. The result is infinity, means tan 90 degrees is infinity. See here, there is a lot of difference between 0 by something and something by 0. There is a difference between these two. See, if the numerator is 0, 0 by something means the result will be always 0. And if the denominator is 0, the result will always be infinity. If the denominator is 0, the result will be infinity. That is the difference between these two. 0 by something means result will be 0, and something by 0 means it is infinity. Tan 0 is 0 and tan 90 is infinity. Next one is tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. We need to find the value of tan 30 degrees. Okay, what's the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Yes. And what's the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. And it can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 gets cancelled. What is the value? 1 by root 3. Means tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Okay. Next one. Tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. By cos 60 is 1 by 2. Yes, this can be written as root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 gets cancelled. What is the value? Root 3 by 1. That is nothing but root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Very good. Next one is tan 45. Value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. And value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. What is the value? 1. Tan 45 means 1. Okay. This is about tan theta values. Tan 0 degrees is 0, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees 1, tan 60 degrees root 3, and tan 90 degrees is infinity. Next is about finding the values of cot theta. Okay, in our we already learned that cot theta is nothing but, what's the definition of cot theta? Cot theta is inversely proportional to tan theta. Yes, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Just substitute here tan theta value, so we will get the values of cot theta. Okay, see, I want to know the value of cot 0 degrees. Cot 0 degrees. What is the tan 0 value? Tan 0 is 0. 1 by something, sorry, something by 0. Something by 0 means the value will be always infinity. Yes, cot 0 is infinity. Next one is cot 90 degrees. Cot 90 degrees. What is the value of tan 90 degrees? Tan 90 is 1 by undefined, infinity. Means here the value is 0. Is 0. Next one is cot 30 degrees. Cot 30 degrees. See, what value of tan 30 is? 1 by root 3. 1 by, what is tan value? Tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Root 3. Isn't it? So, cot 30 is root 3. Next one, cot 60 degrees. So, what's the value of tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 is root 3. So, 1 by tan 60 is root 3. Just substitute here root 3 value. So, cot 60 value is 1 by root 3. Okay. Now, next one is cot 45 degrees. What's the value of tan 45? 1. 1 by, what's the value of tan 45? 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So, cot 45 value is 1. See here, we are reversing the values of tan theta. Here see, in the place of cos theta, we reverse the values of sin theta. Isn't it? Sin 0 means sin 0 is equal to cos 90. And we reverse the values. See here, 1 by 2. Sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Sin 45 is equal to sin 45. Sin 60 is equal to sin 30. Yes, we wrote like this. And here it is also same. It is nothing but, see, tan 0 is equal to tan 90 degrees. And here, cot 90 degrees is equal to tan 0. Yes. Next one, cot 0 is tan 90. Just we are reversing the value. See here. Root 3, 1 by root 3, and these are common. 45 degrees is common for every angle. Okay. Now, next is about finding the values of secant theta. We learned that secant theta is inversely proportional to cos theta. Secant theta is inversely proportional to cos theta. Yes. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Means in the place of cos theta, we are going to substitute the values of cos theta. Okay. And now, first one is secant 0 degrees. Secant 0. What's the value of cos 0? 1. So, 1 by 1 means the result will always be 1. So, secant 0 means 1. Next one. Sec 90. Secant 90. What's the value of cos 90? That is 0. Yes. 1 by cos 90 value is 0. Means it is nothing but infinity. Not defined. Infinity. Okay. Next one is secant 30 degrees. Okay. Secant 30 degrees. What's the value of cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2. Subtract here root 3 by 2. Reverse this. It can be written as 2 by root 3. Yes. So, value of secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Next, secant 60. Secant 60 degrees. Okay. 1 by cos theta. That is inversely proportional to secant theta. What's the value of cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2. 1 by, again 1 by 2. It can be written as 2. The value of secant 60 is 2. Okay, and next one, cos 45 degrees. Cos 45, sorry, secant 45 degrees. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Value of secant 45 is root 2. Okay. Here secant theta, it is inversely proportional to cos theta. Means the values are reversed to cos theta. Inversely proportional to cos theta. Okay. Next is cosecant theta. Next one is cosecant theta. I already know that cosecant theta is inversely proportional to sin theta. Yes, cosecant is inversely proportional to sin. Okay, now first value is cosecant 0 degrees. Yes, cosecant 0 degrees. What is the value of sin 0? 0. It's 1 by sin 0 is 0. Something by 0 means the value is infinity. So cosecant 0 is infinity. Next is cosecant 90 degrees. Cosecant 90 degrees means, what's the sine value of, sin theta? Sin 90 degrees 1. It's 1 by 1. That is 1. Cosecant 90 degrees is 1. Next one is cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees. We need to substitute here sin 30 degrees value so that we can get to know the value of cosecant 30 degrees. Okay. What is sin 30 degrees value? 1 by 2. 1 by sin 30 is 1 by 2. That is nothing but 2. Okay. Now next one is sin 60 degrees. Sorry, cosecant 60 degrees. Here to get to know the value of cosecant 60 degrees, we need to substitute here sin 60 degrees value. What is the value of sin 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2. And it can be written as 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3. The next one is cosecant 45 degrees. What's the value of sin 45 degrees? 1 by root 2. Yes, substitute here. 1 by root 2. And it can be written as root 2. Cosecant 45 degrees is root 2. See here. See here. Just observe this 45 degrees. In this 45 degrees, sine and cos are equal, tan and cot are equal, and secant and cosecant are equal. Okay. This 45 degrees, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant are always equal. Okay. So this is the method. Today we learn about this trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. And here most of the problems in trigonometry depends on this trigonometric ratios. So if you remember these values, it will be very easy to solve the remaining problems in this chapter. Okay, today this is the class about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now in our next class we are going to discuss some problems on this topic. Okay, thank you for watching.